All right, welcome to the farm where we're durability testing our Kei Truck. I just got out. I just parked my mini truck here. All right, so the final episode of at least this version of the mini truck. We just made it to Billy's farm. He's got like 180 acres or something. What is it?
60 acres on this side and 80 on the other side.
140. 140 acres. Sure. So we're on the house side where we'll be sleeping. This is kind of like chill. We're just testing it out, doing a little bit of clearancing of the fenders. So we'll go over to the other side. They got a shooting range and like a bunch of off-road trails. So we're gonna see how this thing does. What are we rubbing on?
Yeah, on the yeah, hammer would be good. We already got to do some modifications too. This is like the farm version of Danger Hammer.
It's about to be Danger Hammer. Look at that.
Hell yeah. Dude, Danger Hammer 2.0.
All right, hold on. Pretty cute.
Meet the enforcer.
All right, let's go fix the truck.
Clearancing.
Clearancing.
Yeah.
Yep.
Hammering straight into ruts.
Oh my. Off wheel. How does it look? Is it going well?
Yeah, it's going great.
I'll just need some Rally Armor mud flaps. Get them sourced from Will.
Subi gang.
I know you got the hookup.
I hate Subaru.
You hate
Subaru?
Subaru?
It's
Not the right tool. Well, it's the right tool, but it's not the right blade.
Grinder blade.
This is melted.
A burnt up.
Oh, does it even work?
He won't fix it.
Oh, yeah, well, I'll put touch up on it. Fill the crack with epoxy and some touch up. Everything right here. This is the most awkward handle.
Yeah, there you go.
It's the wrong side. Come here.
Been here for 5 minutes, already modifying the vehicle.
Just removing a little bit of rust. She's got to look good on the trailer. Are you trying to review my work, dude? Don't look at this side. Look at the other side. I learned my lesson on this one.
We're gonna go test out.
Careful on that side because of the gas.
Yeah, the gas door is right here.
And the gas.
The other line is, yeah, great. Well, there you go. We got more clearance.
All right, so we're just going to test her out real quick. Ride her around the river.
Do another lap. You want to be in the bed?
Sure. No.
Down by the river. Oh, it rubbed. It definitely rubbed.
Do you feel safe back there?
You're good. You're good. Yeah. Now cut it right a little bit. There's like some rocks here. Dude, get it. Get the tire up on this rock. The suspension. We're currently prepping to canoe down here. We've been building this dam here for a minute. We're trying to get this Bit of water to launch us. It's pretty much like Mario Kart where you hit the little triangle things that boost you. Good shot.
This man, front half of his legs are burnt as f, the back half is pale as shit. Man.
He-Man. You haven't noticed it's raining. We're in the woods. You can't really see much. I think we're in Jurassic Park. That's what I was thinking. Remember, there's a tree up here across the trail. Yeah. Little baby. I see it. There it is. Yeah, you got it. Cut a little left. Yeah. Good story. Okay, that's after that. Watch out for the stump too. It's not now, but there's a tree here. There's a tree.
There's the stump.
There it is. Yeah.
This thing's so much fun.
Look at this double rainbow. Double rainbow.
We have destroyed the weather stripping.
Yeah, it's hanging
That is
out.
all.
But it did pass the durability test.
The flying colors.
Muddy.
Flying rainbow Bud Light colors.
So we're gonna continue enjoying our farm weekend. We're gonna go canoeing and go get some
Yeah,
cherries.
you gotta take the Wolverine out. Take the Polaris out.
Cherry pie. How you know which ones are good? Just pick them all. They'll make the decision when they put it in the pie.
I don't know how the hell this is gonna work. How the crap? Hey!
Have it overhang a lot.
Yeah. This is a quality machine right here. This has got a little hole. Come on, fiberglass guy. God. Yeah, we'll make it down the river, no problem.
The 360.
Wait, hold on, no, Xavier, you're gonna ruin Xavier's home.
Yeah, Xavier,
He wants to stay in there. Oh, he's filming in there. All right, we're clear. I'm trying to launch. Somebody call Xavier. Tell Xavier to meet us at the picnic table. Nobody has a phone. Oh, no one has a phone? No.
Oh shit. Oh Lord. Oh shit.
Is there blood in here?
Yes. I've been sitting in it.
We have 5 people in a 2-person canoe. This is kind of how the whole weekend's going, huh? Yeah. You're grounding, dude.
We could probably fit all 5 of us in for a while.
Alright. Whoa!
Oh, it's sinking.
You just added 100 pounds to it.
There you go. Calculate that.
Everyone out. We gotta get this water out.
Everyone out. I fucked up. Take me to shallow water. Look how beautiful. I wonder, they just remove all the trees? Yeah, they did.
You get on the aux because I'll
Hold on. Let me set it up where I want it to be.
It's not very
And then see how it changes.
Okay. It's rubbing a smidge.
That thing is durable as hell. If they ever actually the same color, get the app downloaded.
I didn't check the oil not once today.
No, I changed the oil. I overfilled it like a motherfucker. Dude,
And Tim and Xavier were filming.
I say, Will is a It's like,
Yo, I was literally holding onto it and being like, the whole time. I was
as soon as he
terrified.
starts driving, he's like,
Dude, I was terrified.
Now it's nice that we have the one rock light facing the other way.
There's a tree blocking the way. We're doing a nice sight lap. I can move this with one hand. And then you might need to help me, actually. Beep, beep, beep. Damn. That thing's cute. This tree is immovable. It's an immovable object. Slight decline. Doesn't even look that crazy on the camera. Holy shit. Oh my god, dude. Oh shit, you're kind of clear. It's just barely. You're clear.
Oh,
Yeah, you're good.
if you slip a little. Did we hit it?
No.
Oh, it's the branch one?
On the right side there's a stump. Yeah.
really made it out.
She survived the farm.
Honestly, this thing is a beast.
We did get an offer on the trail for $7K cash. Turned it down.
Like said, bring it. It's working.
Legs. We did everything that we wanted to do. We went canoeing. Failed.
Epic fail.
We went shooting. That was good.
Lost the Insta 360.
Lost the Insta 360.
Times.
We went back into the trail and had to find it. It just broke off. We keep saying this is the last episode on the Kei Truck, but I'm sure we'll have another.
I know. I was debating selling it, and now that it just did all of this
No, it's a unit, dude.
effortlessly, it was,
I want to buy one really badly.
yeah, we had 6 people in there and a canoe, and it literally beast straight through the trails. Dude, this thing is freaking crazy.
Kei Truck gang. All right, well, that's all she wrote.